Hi everyone, this is Jill Cornelius, creative partner with Kiwi Lane. My creative partner number is 247096. And today I'm going to showcase two projects that I created with the My Beautiful Life Kiwi Club kit, mainly the template sets. This is the March 2024 Kiwi Club kit called My Beautiful Life. And my first project is a layout. Now, as I said, I did not use the papers from the Premier scrapbooking kit. I want to save those for another project. These papers are vintage. I've had them, which means I've had them in my stash for a very long time. And I just thought that the colors in the papers matched the colors in the photos. The templates I've used is the new Riley. It's a mini template set, mini border set. It's available now. I also used Frolic number 3. I used the large number 7 of 7, which is a half flower from the beauty set. I used the the butterfly from the Nature Walk set. These flowers are also from the beauty template set. These leaves are from the Nature Walk set also. The photo corners are from the Tiny Highlights kit, and the title is made from dies that I layered on top of each other, and then I put foam tape up underneath to give it a little bit of oomph to the page, more definition. Of course, I hand inked everything. I added rhinestones where I thought they should go, and my layout is complete, almost. I did not put my journaling on here, so I'm going to put my journaling on here. I just got to figure out where. So that's my first project, Plaza Machado. Actually, it's on the way to Plaza Machado because this is the entryway to the square. So there's a close-up of my butterflies, my flowers, my sunflowers. Well, half a flower. So that's my first project. My second project, well, I'm going to explain. When I got my template set, when I got my Premier kit, I looked and it was really a beautiful kit. But what I noticed first was this template. People might see a turkey, a flower, half of a flower. If you wanted to layer it, you could make a double flower, a whole flower, you know. What I saw, well, I did see a cloud in there also, but I saw a bunny. I looked at all these as bunny ears. So I created a bunny. Really, really easy to do. All you had to do was trace and all the bunny ears and stuff, cut it out, layer it. And for the head, I used the rings number 2. And I just layered it on top of that template. So I traced around all of this and made a bunny head. Now I also added, this is from Tiny Plants. It's a template that has little like curves or little scallops in it, I'll say. And then I put a heart on the nose. Of course it is pop dotted because it has to stand up. I made the bow, but what else could I put on? A bunny tail. That's what I saw that as, a bunny tail. So I made the bunny tail. So there's a really, really cute embellishment that you could use, put it on a gift, make a banner out of it, a gift tag, cards. So let's carry on with that. If you're going to make a tag with this kit, this is another one I made. See, I put the whites in the eyes also. This one does not have any blush on its cheeks. It has a flower in its bow. You could put the ribbon in between the two and scrunch it like that. And if you didn't want to have to feed this through, because it's going to be hard to feed through, you could put Velcro in there and attach it that way. Really, really cute idea. And I'm not kidding when I use blush. When I say I use blush, I do use blush. I got this at the dollar store. I got it for Christmas projects last year, and I just keep using it. Pardon me. This is Sweet Cheeks, and yes, it is from the dollar store. My next project, or part of this project, it was really just 2 big projects, was a little Easter card. Just a cute little card. I didn't put the bunny tails on this one. But I just thought that was really, really sweet. You can use it for Easter or a shower, a baby shower, a baby gift for when it's born. You can custom color it, change it to blue or green or yellow depending on what color of gingham paper you have. And finally, this is my favorite part of this one besides the first bunny. Sorry. Allergies today. Is a bunny easel card. Really, really cute. So it lays down like that. Folds. Bunny easel card. Really, really cute. Of course, it has pop dots also, and the bow with the flower gemstone in the middle, and the bunny tail. I enjoyed making this. It was really, really fun to make. Anyway, those are my projects. I hope you've enjoyed watching them. I'm going to have all the information on where you can get these templates at. I'd love to see what you create. Come and join me in my Facebook group. I'm also in the Kiwi website community and on Facebook. Just find me. I'll put the links down below also for my website. Okay, have a great Sunday. Bye.